What's going on, gang? As you can see, gold has been killed. Look at this, guys. 3,077. You know what I'm saying? From just one trade. As you can see, guys, this is where I got the trade from. I got the trade from this point right here. And then the first take profit was around this point right here. As you can see, the profit, guys, is so amazing. So the account was doubled twice. The account was doubled twice just from one trade. So all you need in order to make to have this kind of this kind of signal, you need to find the market that has the market that has a long move. As you can see, this is why I entered here. My stop loss was something about 60 pips, but guys, guess how much pips was this? This was a lot of pips. No, man, now I already killed something about, no, it's a lot it's a lot of pips, guys. A lot of pips. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of pips. I can't even count the pips. Yo, my god, I can't even count the pips. 0.40 times 100 is 400. 1,000 pips, guys. 1,000 pips. Something about 900 pips, Let me check for you guys and then I'll let you know. Let me check on the chart so that I will let you know, guys, right now. How many pips was this? Let me check on the chart. GBP GBP I mean, shit. Hey, guys, this was crazy. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Entries like this only happens twice in a month. So, guys, this was 804 pips. 804 pips. I just confirm it right now from the chart. I just got confirmation right now from the chart. This was 804 pips, guys. This was crazy, huh? This was crazy. And the pips like this, guys, you can't get them every day. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I'll be like, you can get this kind of signal every day. Entries like this only happens twice in a month, or maybe 3 times in a month, not every day. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, it's gonna be catching 100 pips, 150, and stuff like that. So what I've been doing, guys, in order to catch all these pips, let me show you. I've been shifting the stop loss since the moment which they took the trade right here. The market gave me the move. Let me just switch on a low time frames so you can see how I've been skipping my take profit. So starting from here, as you can see, starting from here, I got in here. The market gave me the move all the way to this point, gave me the pullback. As you know, guys, I always shift the stop loss after the pullback. So around this area here, I shifted my stop loss around here. Since I've got this pullback, and I shifted my stop loss around this area right here. And then after that, we got to move. God, how it moves crazy. Move. You know what I'm saying? The market got to move. Let me show you. The market got to move. Move. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you what I mean by that. Oh, it doesn't go through. What the hell? What is that? Okay, cool. So I first shifted my stop loss around this area here, and then we got a move. The market moved all the way to the point over here, and then I shifted my second take profit right here. Currently, guys, when I took the trades, I took 2 of them, but when I shift the stop loss around the area here, one got hidden out. After one got hidden out, the other one, which means was too tight, and then got hidden out, and then I had to continue with the other one, which is this one. You know what I'm saying? And then after the market gave me the other big move right here, we got a pullback. After the pullback, I shifted my stop loss around this area here, and you can see that the market never come back around this area. You know, the market never come back again around this area. After I shifted around this area, the market was like a voop, voop, and then after voop, voop, the market got another pullback here. After we got this pullback here, I shifted the stop loss again, and same as you can see here, guys, this is another stop loss. You know, I said this is another stop loss. Currently the stop loss is right here. So this is what I've been doing. You can see that the pullback has been done, and now I shifted the stop loss again, and if it's gonna keep on moving, and I also gonna keep on moving the stop loss and keep on killing the market until the market itself hit me out of the market. You know what I'm saying? If it doesn't hit me out, I'll continue, bro. I'll continue chopping this trade. You know what I'm saying? So I don't care by now, because I have nothing to lose in this trade. I've got nothing to lose. I already make money. So I just gonna make fun of this trade by keeping on shifting my stop loss. And if you see the next move that we have right here, you see here, you see the next move that we have right here. I'm waiting for this market to come all the way over here, and I'm gonna shift my stop loss right here. As you can see now, it's pushing. So as soon as the market gonna reach around this area here, then I'm gonna shift my stop loss from there to here. So this is how you can the market, man. When you decide to be like, no, I took the fear out of my body. I want to have a strong heart, I say, then you can do this, so, man, yeah, this is how we did it, man. This is how I did it. So yeah, so make sure you join the community, guys. The link is on description below. You can join our free Telegram community, and join our VIP team, where we're gonna be sharing all these kind of strategies and this kind of trades. You know how we do, man. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on description below. And yeah, man. And for this who always asking about the broker that I use, guys, the link is on description. You can sign up with the broker that I use, no problem. It's up to you. It says the best one, of course. So yeah, man, that's how we did it. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'll give you an update if maybe the market did hit me out, or I continue to carry it as usual. So let's wait and see how it's gonna move. And if continues on moving on uptrend, I'll shift this one. I shift the stop loss to this point right here, then continue chopping.